We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
As well as their vocal music tradition, the Hakka also have an instrumental genre known as Ba'ing, meaning 8 sounds. This style of music got its name from the 8 materials used to make musical instruments: metal, stone, silk, bamboo, calabash, earth, leather, and wood. Having evolved as the Hakka people migrated from the central plains of China to Guangdong in the south, Ba'ing can said to incorporate a wide range of Chinese folk music styles, while maintaining the Hakka's own traditional music. Hakka Ba'ing, or Ba'ing Ban as it is also known, moved with the Hakka to Taiwan during their most recent wave of migration from 1645 to 1867. Ba'ing ensembles usually consist of string, wind, and percussion instruments, and like other instrumental groups throughout Taiwan, can be heard at weddings, funerals, temple rituals, and various social gatherings and celebrations. However, this type of music is now becoming scarce as tape recordings replace live performances, and electronic pop takes the place of traditional music.
Hello and welcome to our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
大家好，我係 Josephine。
我係
我教錯語言了，糟糕。Josephine. Today we're going to teach people about television and radio, since that's, entertainment that people, usually resort to. And television, we watch the news on TV. And then for radio, we like to listen to great music like ICRT, right? So let's teach people how to say that. I'm going to turn on the television to watch the news.
打開電視機。
打開電視機 ，it's 天哦，有點是天地的天哦，電視機。
看新聞。
看新聞 Okay, turn on the television to watch news. And how about turning on the radio to listen to music?
轉開收音機。
哦，轉開不是大開了，是轉開用轉的哈 ，tuning in 啊，轉開收音機。好 ，and we're gonna tune into the radio to listen to music.
聽音樂，
這個就比較難。聽音樂，哦，好難念啊，這個。
音樂 ，ICRT.
ICRT is a very good station to tune into, Alice.
Hey.
Hi. All right. Thank you very much, and thank you for tuning into ICRT's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.